Okay, at this point, we have our companies and we have our models. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of this data that we have starting with Disney. So I'm just going to select all of that. And I'm going to do data, sort, and I'm going to sort it by that very, very last column, the difference column. I want to do smallest to largest because I want the biggest negative numbers at the top, and that's going to be our best companies. So sort it. So you select the entire amount. Select the whole range, and then do data, sort, and you want to sort it by the very, very last column. Whatever is the last one on your list. So you just sort by and click on that in difference.
Smallest to largest?
Yeah, smallest to largest. And once you do that, then what I want to do, so I can see these companies, I'm going to go over to column C4, which is my first number for return on invested capital. I'm going to hit the view, and I'm going to freeze pane so that I can actually see what's going on. So when I go to the right, it shows me. And so when we look at this, the best company we have up here, in fact, these first two companies look really, really good. National's Cine Media and Madison Square Garden. You can see our model loves them, ranks them 4th and 5th, and yet the stock market has them at the bottom half. So those are two really good companies. This next one's not too bad. Laurel Space and Communications, it's ranked 13th. The model has them at 57th. So, I like a lot of these companies up here at the top part. Walt Disney's down here kind of in the middle. But that gives you, if you just looked at the top 10 companies, it gives you a pretty good list of companies. I like this Crown Media. We've looked at Crown Media before, and we didn't like it for other reasons besides its valuation. This is a really simple model, so we're going to get more sophisticated. We only have 2 pieces of data in here. So what we want to do next few weeks is add in more data that's more important, but we're going to keep doing this. So all we got to do to make this model more sophisticated is add more things besides just return on invested capital and beta. And what are those things? And that's the kind of things we'll talk about next few weeks. What else do we want to add that's really going to define what a great media company is? It may be return on invested capital, but we might say, that's just 1 year. Why don't we bring in the last 5 years of return on invested capital and find the firms that have the best average without much volatility? We may not like beta. We might want to look at debt to equity. We might want to look at 3 or 4 different things. All right. So what we want to try now is, now that we have this data, I want to let's see. Well, we're out of time. So next time I'll show you the regression model. So we can't do that this time.